Hello and welcome. Welcome to Updawg-Yoga. This is my channel where I practice lots and lots of yoga. My name is Emily. I'm your yoga instructor for this next, I don't know how many minutes this is going to be, the next few minutes. And instead of changing my shirt like I did for the next video, I'm just going to change my hair. So I hope you like this bow. Just got it today, new. We're going to do a sort of slow flow class, and what that means is we're not going to do chaturangas, we're not going to do push-ups, we're not going to do anything too strenuous. So if you prefer a more gentle style of class, you're in the right place. Now, we are going to move a lot, so just be aware of that. And we're going to start right now. So go ahead and stand. If you have a yoga mat, great. If you don't, great. Step with your feet hip distance apart and bring your hands together in prayer. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Take this moment to get grounded and centered. Deep breath in, deep breath out. And one more for good luck. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Inhale, mountain pose. Open your eyes, reach your arms up so palms of your hands face one another. Exhale, reverse prayer. Bend your elbows behind your head. Look up, lift your heart. Exhale, chair pose with airplane arms. So bend your knees, sit back into a chair. Like there's a chair on your mat. I'm going to turn to the side in just a second. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. So from the front, it looks like this. You'll shift your weight to your right foot and pick your left leg up. Okay, I'm going to turn to the side. We're still in one-legged mountain pose. Exhale, chair pose with airplane arms. Step your left foot back, land on the ball of your foot. So you have a lunge going on. As you lean forward, swing your arms back, look down. Inhale, crescent lunge, reach your arms up. Okay, so I normally do my crescent lunge a little bit wider, so I'm going to sink down. So my right toes are straight ahead, my front knee is bent over my ankle, and my back leg is straight. There it is. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, warrior two. Back heel down, reach your arms wide. So now my feet are in one line, heel to arch. Roll your knee to your pinky toe, look to your fingertips, pull your belly in, just like you're zipping up your pants. Suck it in. Inhale, reverse warrior. Bend your knee, reach up, and then hold and breathe here. So deep breath in, deep breath out. Look up to your thumb. One more breath. Okay, inhale. Exhale, standing splits, windmill your hands down. You can also use yoga blocks if you have them, and float your left leg. I'm going to scoot back so you can see. There you go. Looks like this. Left leg in the air. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Step your left foot to meet your right foot. We're going to do it on the other side. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Try to touch the floor. Inhale, mountain pose. Reach your arms up. I'm going to turn to the front so you can see. Exhale, reverse prayer. Palms come together. Remember that? Look up. Inhale, mountain pose. Reach up. Exhale, chair pose with airplane arms. Swing your arms back. Okay, you're going to turn to the side. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Pick your right leg up this time. So now we're on the other side. Arms up. Exhale, crescent lunge with airplane arms. Step your right foot back. Land on the ball of your foot. Inhale, crescent lunge. Reach up. And exhale, warrior two. Spin your back heel down. You may want to widen your feet. All right, look to your fingertips. Inhale, reverse warrior. This is where we hold and breathe. Bend into your left knee. Look up to your thumb. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. And you send your breath to your left side body. All right, inhale. Exhale, standing splits. You can bring your hands down. If you don't want to touch the floor, you can just lean forward. Oops, excuse me. Almost fell. Lean forward like this. If you want to challenge, you'll bring your hands down and float your right leg. Okay, inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Step your right foot to meet your left foot. So we're going to move a little bit faster. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Reach up. Exhale, reverse prayer. Look up. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, chair pose with airplane arms. So sit back into your chair, arms back. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Pick your left leg up. There it is. Exhale, crescent lunge with airplane arms. Step your left foot back, arms back. Land on the ball of your foot. Inhale, crescent lunge, reach up. Exhale, warrior two. Back heel down, feet wide. Inhale, reverse warrior. And then right into it. Exhale, standing splits. Bring your hands down. Remember, you can always lean forward. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Come all the way up. Other side. Exhale, reverse prayer. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, chair pose with airplane arms. So sit back into imaginary chair, arms back. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Pick your right leg up. Exhale, crescent lunge with airplane arms. Inhale, warrior two. Feet wide, arms wide. Exhale. That is your exhale. Inhale, reverse warrior. Bend your left knee, reach up. Exhale, standing splits. Hands down, float your right leg. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Right foot meets your left foot. One more time, breath to movement. Inhale, mountain pose, reach up. Exhale, reverse prayer. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, chair pose with airplane arms. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Lift your left leg up. Exhale, crescent lunge with airplane arms. Step back. Inhale, crescent lunge. Reach up. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse warrior. Bend your knee. Reach your right arm up. Exhale, standing splits. Hands down. Float your left leg. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Left foot meets your right foot. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, reverse prayer. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, chair pose with airplane arms. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Lift your right leg up. Exhale, crescent lunge with airplane arms. Step your right foot back. Inhale, crescent lunge. Reach up. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, standing splits. Hands down. Float your right leg. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Sorry, I know I didn't do that the whole time. Inhale, mountain pose, reach up. This time on your exhale, hands in prayer. Close your eyes, stand tall, rest. All right, blink your eyes open. From here, go right into tree pose, okay? Left foot stays down, turn your right knee out to the side, put your foot on your shin or on your inner thigh. Look at one spot on the ground. You gotta keep breathing for 3, 2, and 1. Release your right foot down. Take this on the other side. This time your right foot stays down. Turn your left knee up to the side. Put your foot on your shin or on your inner thigh. Keep breathing. Stand tall like a tree. It's harder than it looks. For 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Release. Shake it out. Have a seat. All right. Always have to pull my pants up every video. All right, extend your right leg long. So your foot's kind of out to the side. Turn to the side. And reach your arms up. Inhale. Exhale, fold your chest over your right leg. Close your eyes. You can also bend your knee here. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Take 3 more breaths. And then walk your hands back in, switch sides, left leg out to the side, right leg in, okay? Inhale, reach up, exhale, fold. So try to touch your toes, you can spread your toes wide. So with every breath, sink a little bit deeper into the pose. Soften your face a little bit more. And then come back up. This time, both legs stretch out like in front of you with your big toes together. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Grab your feet or bend your knees and grab your feet. Close your eyes. I'm gonna grab the sides of my feet. Some people can grab their big toes. Other people need to bend their knees or use a yoga strap. And then come back up. This time lie on your back. Yay! Towards the end, we're gonna finish with one bridge and a twist. So bend your knees, drop your head, hands beside your hips. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, bridge. Press your feet into your mat. Look at one spot on the ceiling. So your knees aren't out too wide or too much together, hip distance apart. And try to avoid looking side to side. I know I'm talking, but just look straight up. Inhale. Exhale, gently release. And you can either stretch your legs out or you can bring your feet together and your knees wide. Okay, one hand to your belly, one hand to your heart. Close your eyes. And then we'll keep this breath with a twist. So close your knees, hug your knees into your chest, drop your knees to the right, arms go to the left, or at least your left arm goes to the left. And you can use your right hand to gently press your hip down, your thigh down. If you're really close to furniture, you can like bend your elbow. So stay soft through your face. And then bring one knee up at a time. Take your knees to the left. Reach your right arm out. Look to your right hand. And then very gently roll onto your back, hug your knees into your chest or face to your knees. Oops, make yourself into a tiny little ball. Inhale. Exhale, release. Relax your head, stretch your legs long, arms down to your sides, let your palms face up, and close your eyes. Come back to your natural breath, melt onto your mat. You're welcome to stay here for like 5 minutes. I'm just gonna stay here for like 10 breaths because this is YouTube. So take as long as you need. Close your eyes, arms face up, and melt onto your mat. And you're welcome to stay longer. If you're ready to come up, wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently roll to one side. Take a few breaths on your side. And then slowly help yourself up to seated. Come up into an easy, comfortable seat. I call it easy pose. That's how I was taught. It's called easy pose. Hands to your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes for one more moment of stillness. With your hands in prayer, let's close with our breath. Deep breath in and exhale it out. One more time, deep breath in. Exhale, let it all go. Thank you for sharing your practice with me, and namaste. The light in me honors the light in you. Many blessings to you this year, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Please check out the descriptions. You know, they take a long time to write, so I also have private classes. I've got a TikTok page, Facebook, all that boring stuff. I will see you in the next video.